It's about time. Hi folks, Josie here. Welcome to Sari Flavors. Today I'm not going to be talking about covers, but I'm going to be talking about timers. Now we have two kinds of timers. We have stove timers and we have manual timers. Now why did I say this? It's because this is very important, especially if you're working in the kitchen, you're simmering, you're boiling water, whatever you're doing in the stove, you have to set your timer because it's very important. Remember, when I was cooking the sausage and peppers, I was boiling for an hour. So you have to set your timers because you easily forget. Okay? So that's it for now. And subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.